Darren Price from Underworld, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about Maschine, a fantastic machine. You know, we've had innovative bits of kit, of equipment over the last few years coming in the studio that's blown us away. But Maschine is one that's kind of stood out over them all. So this is what I'd normally do in a live situation. So we'll probably write some beats in Maschine in a hotel room somewhere in the world and think, oh, I want to play that tonight. So I bring Maschine, put it on the top of the DJ kit, and then we're ready to rumble. And I can either jam it straight from Maschine or put some parts onto the main desk over there. But from hotel room mode to live gig on the spur of the moment, we normally just run Maschine in sync, and Bob is your uncle, rocking. So I'm going to try and show you a little bit of what we do, okay? This is one I wrote in my shed at the bottom of the garden. And the first time we're going to do it live is at the Miami Music Conference in a few weeks. So we're excited about that, and yeah, looking forward to doing it. Since 1.6, I've been running it standalone because of all of the new features. Loading external instruments, plugins, you know, all of my core audio units, whether they're Native Instruments, third party, whatever. I can kind of do the whole track in Maschine, and it's great, you know. And that's why we've been kind of using it to try and reinvent some of the old Underworld records to perform live in 2011. But they sound a bit old drum-wise, and you put Maschine on and it kind of gives it a new edge. It gives it this new kind of sound. So that's how we've been finding it, and it's been very successful over the last few weeks, us trying to try different things, i.e. Everybody Jack, you know. Wrote that in one day. And now it's going to be in the Underworld live set, so it's like, you know, not written a track in one day on the computer in any program for quite a long time, you know. You got so hands-on with each note, holding pads down, tuning, length, position. Don't even touch a mouse, there's no mouse involved. If I'm looking at and arranging a track via a screen, I'd let the section probably go for less time. But if I'm in front of a console or Maschine, you go with your feeling. Your feeling isn't to go 16 bars and out. You will leave it for 32 or 64. It's just a different way to arrange and mix a track, you know? If I spent 3 weeks in the studio, I could translate all the Underworld stuff into Maschine, and I could turn up like that and we could do an Underworld gig out of it, you know? We could do it without taking all of that back line and all of the live stuff. It's just a great piece of kit, and I love it.